Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove your credit card from your Airbnb profile. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your profile and click on this the profile menu, and then you will go to account, and then you will search for payments and payouts. So after that you will need to go to the payments, and then you will need just to click you will find all your payment methods, and you will need just to click on this 3-point action, and you will need to click on remove. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.